Hey everyone, today I'm diving into Locofy AI, the tool that's transforming how we turn designs into code. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Locofy AI converts Figma and Adobe XD designs into production-ready front-end code for React, HTML, CSS, Next.js, and more. It's like a powerhouse for designers and developers, promising to speed up workflows by 5 to 10 times. Here's how it works. You install the Locofy plugin in Figma, organize your design with proper naming, and boom, Locofy AI generates clean, responsive code. You can preview it, tweak it, and export it to the GitHub or VS Code. The pros? It's a game changer for rapid prototyping and streamlining front-end development. The code is modular, supports frameworks like Tailwind, and integrates with your existing tools. Plus, it's user-friendly, even for beginners. Now, the cons. For complex projects, you might need to customize the code manually. Also, processing slows down with designs over 5 frames, and there's a learning curve for tagging designs properly. Users love it. Locofy has a 4.3 out of 5 rating from over 2,000 reviews with praise for its speed and support team. Some wish it handled dynamic logic better, but updates are rolling out fast. So, is Locofy AI worth it? If you're a designer or developer looking to save time and ship projects fast, absolutely. It's in a free beta right now, so grab it at locofy.ai and try it yourself. That's it for this quick review, guys. Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.